never an underachiever, yes a believer and definitely not a cheater. I don't ever want to follow unless it's in God's footsteps. Besides that, I'm a leader. I always make up for my past mistakes, call me a redeemer. I still miss my grandma, can't wait till I could see her again. I got my family, I don't need any friends. I'm just saying, a lot of people think this shit's a game, it's realistic. See, pleasure comes with pain, so deal with this. Sometimes I feel like I am worthless, but then I think there's gotta be more. I gotta serve a higher purpose, that's why I am writing verses. But honestly, who cares? Because my opinions probably don't mean shit. And even if I'm dead broke, I'ma make myself seem rich. I stand tall like a soldier on the front line. Even in these dark days, I'm holding on to sunshine.